Hello, students! Today we're going to explore a question that changed the world. How did the coronavirus begin, and how did it spread across the globe? Let's break it down step by step. Scientists believe the coronavirus originally came from bats. These animals often carry viruses that can sometimes jump to humans. In late 2019, the virus is thought to have made the leap in a seafood market in Wuhan, China, from animals to humans, a critical moment in history. This virus, officially called SARS-CoV-2, has sharp spike proteins that help it attach to human cells, just like a key fitting into a lock. Once inside the body, the virus quickly multiplies, especially in the lungs, causing fever, cough, and breathing problems. Because of international travel, the virus spread from Wuhan to the rest of the world in just a few weeks. Globalization made it unstoppable. Soon, entire cities like New York and London had outbreaks. Masks and social distancing became the new normal for millions of people. Doctors and nurses worked day and night. Hospitals were overwhelmed, but their courage saved countless lives. By 2021, scientists developed vaccines, a major achievement of modern medicine that helped reduce the spread and severity of the disease. By 2021, scientists developed vaccines, a major achievement of modern medicine that helped reduce the spread and severity of the disease.